morning, students. Our today's topic is angle of elevation and angle of depression. As you can see that I am looking straight in the camera, and in this way I am making horizontal sight line. This horizontal sight line we can also call it baseline, and this is very important. This horizontal sight line is very important, and we will keep this horizontal sight line as baseline. And now try your best to understand what is angle of elevation and angle of depression. Look that this is your eye and you are forming horizontal sight line. If there is a point above this horizontal sight line, point A, that is above horizontal sight line, and now you are looking upward. When you look upward, then angle with horizontal sight line and angle with this line, which can be called sight line, is called angle of elevation. And if there is a point below this horizontal sight line, like B, point B, this, when you will make a line, sight line, from your eye to this point, sight line, then with this horizontal sight line you are actually forming angle of depression with this sight line. So this is angle of depression. So I hope so that angle of elevation and angle of depression is clear. And like if you are at some rooftop and you are, this is when you look straight, this is your horizontal sight line. When you look below this horizontal sight line at point B, the angle of depression will be made, and when you will look upward, then angle of elevation will be formed or made. Now let's solve one question for angle of elevation. Look, this is Eiffel Tower. Its height is 320 meters. There is a girl whose name is Kate, is standing at point, standing at point A, and she is moving towards point B. When she was at point A, with the top of Eiffel Tower, like you can see, if she is here, so this was her horizontal sight line, and this is a top, let's call it point D, that is top of this Eiffel Tower. And this, when she will look at this point, we will have angle of elevation, and the value of angle of elevation is 38 degrees when she was at point A. When she moves towards point B, now she is at this point B, and again she is looking at the top of the Eiffel Tower and is forming angle of 58 degrees. Now what we are supposed to find, we are supposed to find out that how much she has moved from point A to point B. So I hope so that you have got it. This I have called X, and this we are supposed to find out. Now this point C is basically the center of the bottom of the Eiffel Tower. As you all know that first of all we will find out the distance AC, and after that we will find distance BC, and then from AC we will subtract BC and we will get AB. So this is the way through which we will be getting the value of this X. So as you know that this AC, this complete AC is equal to AB plus this BC, and we are supposed to find out AB. So we will just algebraically solve it, arrange the terms, will make AB subject. So when you make AB subject, definitely you will shift BC on this side. So it will become AC minus BC, and AB, which we have called equal to X, and that we are supposed to find out. So hope so that you have understood what actually the question is about. Now we are going to find out the value of AC, and you know this is perpendicular over base, so tan of 38 degrees is equal to 320 over AC. AC is base. Now this AC you are supposed to find out, so cross multiply, and you know this will become AC equals to 320 over tan 38. When it will move here, then AC and tan 38 both are multiplying. When we will shift tan 30 here to this side, and it will divide 320. So now by using your calculator, you will find the value of this 320 over tan 38. So 320 divided by tan 38, that is equal to 409.58 meters. So the value of AC is 409.58. Now you know that we are supposed to find out the value of BC. Again you will use the triangle with the same height. Height is 320. Here we have 90 degree angle, here we have 58 degrees, and this is BC, this is CD. Again this BC we are supposed to find out. This is base, this is perpendicular, so tan 58 degrees is equal to perpendicular over base, that is BC. So now we will find the value of BC. BC is equal to, understood, it is 320 divided by tan 58 degrees, and you will find the value through calculator. 320 divided by tan 58 degrees, and that is 199.96 meters. Now you have to find out the value of this AB. I have written here AC is equal to AB plus BC, and AB will be equal to AC minus BC. So AB, which we are supposed to actually find out, and which is actually X, we can also replace it by X, is equal to AC, this value minus this value, that is this will help you. So is equal to 409.58 minus 199.96, and the answer is 209.62 meters. That is the distance, that is the distance which she has covered from point A to point B. I hope so this question is clear. Now I am going to solve one more example for you.